Sapping to tell you exactly what's happening. Good morning, welcome back to another video. I'm absolutely soaking, I'll be honest with you, because I've done all the other cars. The van is the last thing I haven't done. Now, when I washed this, must be, I don't know, about 6-7 weeks ago now. That's quite bad. Well, there's no point in washing it, doesn't go anywhere, it just sits on the drive. So it was all clay bar, etc. then, and I've used it once to go get fuel one evening. And it's just sat there since. The state on it, right? It's not looking very van life at the minute. So, step ladder, you might say, why have I got a step ladder? See the size on this thing, I'm 6'4", I still can't get to the roof. So I've got a step ladder if I can do the roof. Just look at the state of this just from sitting there. It's looking sorry for itself, cobwebs everywhere. I've had all the kamikazes on it as well, so there's birds mess everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's not looking the best. Looks alright from afar. When it gets down to it, it's a bit dirty. So this video is literally going to be a bit of a service wash, maintenance wash. You know, I'm not going into full depth. As we know before, that's ceramic coated, that's coated, that's coated, the Tiguan around there. This isn't. It's just a work vehicle for me, a very nice work vehicle. So as you can just see on that close up, that's literally just all like with the rain and the dust has gone on it. It needs a good polishing, to be honest with you, proper machine polish coating on it, but it is what it is. I mean, trees have had that at some point as well. It's a bit neglected, I'll be honest with you, for it. Not even, you know, it just needs a good looking after, but during lockdown, what's the point? So I'm going to show you in this video a little bit how to maintain and just give a basic service wash on a transporter combi or other van life, or use these sorts of methods on your vehicle. It doesn't really matter. As per usual, I'll always start with a bit of auto finesse iron out. And I tell you what, after using this product for, I don't know, 5 years or more, I can tell you they have the worst clips on these bottles ever. It's so easy to snap, like that one there, snapped. So nonetheless, that's why it is what it is. I'll do this on all the wheels. Let the chemical reaction happen a little bit, let it fall out a little bit. It's a little salmon, you know. I won't show you every single wheel, I'm going to skip, you know, some steps. You can just see stuff happening because it's going to get a bit boring for you otherwise. To be honest, it's a little bit warm out today, that's why it's drying as quick as what it is. But half the time with this fallout, you haven't even got to, you know, get it and scrub the wheels. It literally does it all for you. What I'll do at the same point then, I will literally just wet the whole van down ready for snow forming. You know, it's just a bit important to be doing that, blowing off all the stuff. And after the dirty stuff as well, it'll come off with it, which is quite nice. Important as well, get it right up in these arches. So next step, snow foam. Dora Juice Lance, auto finesse product. Literally paint it like a picture. So there we go, snow foam is on doing his thing. Literally leave that on for about 5 minutes. Let that just run off. Might be a bit quicker today just because it is a bit sunny. As I said, in all fairness, I shouldn't really do it in direct sunlight, but I'm sheltered by the house. There's just one side patch, but there is a little bit getting it just because of the size that it is. So, you know, as per anything as I've already said, some of this is like a little bit of a service maintenance wash. Normally if you're going to do it properly, you know, you'd clay bar it all, you'd get into that. You know, there are videos on Viking Views of us doing the full works, but this is just, it's a van at the end of the day. Yeah, it's a nice van, but it's just staying on top of things. So, you know, always, wheels always first, always wet it down, always snow foam it, then you wash the snow foam off, get your 2 buckets as well with your grids, that's very important. You know, I've got a Doro Juice mitt as well. I've got 2 grids in there, literally, because when you're doing it, that's the salty bucket, that's literally just the one with the water then, you know, to dip it in every time you're doing it, keep the fresh sponge. You know, if you're doing washing dirt around on the van, it's not going to scratch it. You can see that's all coming out, including the roof as well. And this will bring out all the fall up stuff, all the dirt that's on the van. That'll be done. So next step now is jet all of this off, then it's wash it with the 2 buckets. So I'm going to skip through that bit now, you know, rather than just keeping you all there, and I'm going to show you a bit of a finished product, what it's going to look like when it's all rinsed off. So there we go, final stage. It's going to be drying. I think, get yourself a nice towel. This thing literally does the 3 cars on it. Let me just show you, still a bit wet, but look at the difference in it. Completely different. I know it doesn't pick up red the best on the GoPro, but that's shining bloody lovely. It's getting there, a bit more to dry now. And I'm happy. I think this week then I'm gonna Doro Juice wax it, so orange crush, it's the only vehicle I do really wax. I said everything else is coated, but that's a little bit of a video. That's literally like a wash in a van for dummies sort of video. I might even call it that, I don't know. It's a little bit of a small thing. Enjoyed it, breaking up the day, passed another day of lockdown, haven't I? So yeah, well deserved beer. Until next time, take it easy, bosses out.